Hello, this is a gold futures technical analysis at Investing Live. My name is Itai Leviton, head of strategy, and I'm looking at the gold futures before a new week is starting. We had a day of Friday of a reversal from the high of 4,290.5 on the gold futures, and it finished zero on the day, meaning no change from the previous close, which was Thursday's close. And we also had quite an interesting reversal from the RSI over here. And I think that we will be visiting this 30 level oversold and even maybe a bit below it. I don't know, but it's something to look out for because if we do that, and then it will start getting very interesting to look at the next junction. And that's what technical analysis is a lot about. It's not about forecasting, it's about forecasting the junctions and then looking at the junctions and looking at how price is reacting specifically around those key levels or junctions. Because if the bulls or the bears win at those junctions rather than at random prices, for example, over here at 4,262, then it means that we have more information about further bullishness or bearishness. You can think about it in this way. Imagine you're going on a marathon and you've finished kilometer 36. So, or you or someone else, the chances then you will finish the marathon becomes much higher. Okay, so there's a certain threshold that you cross, and it increases the chances of the price action or what's going to happen. Look, let's look at this channel. Um, and there's a few three touch points, three or four touch points here, and then one, two, and we're coming now to a third touch point. And many times in channels, by the way, they do shake out participants. They can, for example, go down, back up, and back up. Okay. So because there's certain traders already taking the early trade here, they're going to be washed out or stopped out. And if the reversal is being done, it's being done a bit later. We also have a volume profile here from the contract rollover date and through this range. And we have an important value area low over just here at 4,216 or so. And I even marked 4,211 as something look out for as a possible final support. Of course, if it goes another 1 or 2 points below or so, or it won't matter that much. And yeah, so if price wants to recover from there, this is the area to do so. Otherwise, this also can become a bear flag, and price can go a lot more down. So this junction, okay, the 4,210 to 4,218 becomes a very interesting area to look at. Okay. Some people will also start looking at volumes there and order flow. We also had an interesting analysis of gold looking at this reversal, and we saw through order flow intel, which is a methodology of looking at order flow with a special way to analyze it with AI as well at Investing Live. We saw that, yeah, there was some selling, but the sellers were not as strong or ambitious as you would expect, or some would expect. So it's actually more normal selling. But again, if this junction does not hold, then that volume and ambition may change. So in summary, look at 4,210 to 4,218. Of course, the futures market is opening in a couple of hours, and it could be the case that we're already before then going up. In that case, we have the point of control. And again, back to my analogy of the 36 kilometers on the marathon, if price sustains above this level, which is 4,237 to 38, then we're probably going to visit the value area high, 4,276 or so, and we can be breaking through this consolidation and then going up all the way, even if it's not straight up, going to about 4,450. Okay, so gold is still bullish. It looks more like a consolidation rather than a major bearish reversal. Trade at your own risk and do return to investing live. We have also Trade Compass, which is a daily map, especially for intraday traders, but also for swing traders that want to get good entries. And see you later this week. Thank you.